the 10 people accused in the University of Fort Hare murder case are all expected back in the Alice Magistrates Court in the Eastern Cape today. It is expected they will be served indictments by the state. Among the accused is former head of investigations and vetting services, Isaac Plaatjies. The university uncovered that he falsified his qualifications. Plaatjies was denied bail in November last year and made another bail application with new evidence. For more, we now cross live to SABC News reporter Abongile Jantjies. Abongile, thank you so much for your time this morning. So just talk to us again, maybe take a couple of steps back in terms of what are the charges here for the 10 accused and what transpired last year before this case was then postponed to today.
Well, a very good morning to Unati. Well, with regards to this case, as you mentioned, that there are 10 people who have been arrested for cases relating to murder, attempted murder, and possession of a firearm and illegal firearms, Unati. And as you said, that the big fish there is the former head of investigations and vetting services at the University of Fort Hare. Well, you'll recall that Mboneli Vesele, who was killed here in Alice outside the official residence of the Vice Chancellor Sakela Buhlungu. He was killed, and these are some of the people who are accused of his murder. And you recall that even Ernst Roots, who was killed in East London while on his way back home, who was the fleet manager here at the institution, he was also killed. There's been attempts to even kill the Vice Chancellor Sakela Buhlungu and his deputy Vice Chancellor here in Alice. So that's what has been happening with regards to this case, and it's expected that today that the accused will be served indictments. The state is saying that it has concluded all the investigations, and now the chances are that it may be transferred to a high court where the trial will commence, Unati. So that's what's been happening here. We have people who come from other provinces who are in this case alleged hitmen, and amongst these 10, it's only one female. That much I can tell you. So it's really quite that's been happening here, and even him, Plaatjies, he's accused of having made contact with the alleged hitman. Even cell phone records are proving that. He has made a bail application which was denied last year, and he made another one which was denied. Judgment was served on the 1st of February this year with regards to that second one. But let's bring in one of the family members of Mboneli Vesele, Upoti Umzuku Sitoni. Sir, thanks a lot for your time. You've been watching this case with keen interest, and I can imagine, because since you have a family member that died during this case. And so far, how are you? Are you satisfied with how the case is going?
Yes. As the family, we are satisfied, really, because it didn't take long for people to get apprehended, and we just hope now that, since the state has mentioned that they have a solid case and they have concluded all their investigation, so we can't wait to hear what's going to happen in the courtroom today. And
Isaac Plaatjies, another attempt to be out on bail, that too has failed. How do you react to that?
You know, what I can commend about this investigation is that the investigators have got everything that they need to bring into the attention of the magistrate and the justice system. So when his bails were all denied, we were happy because remember, he's the one that we've been dealing with, especially with this case. He's the first person that came to the family for this. So for him now to be involved and for the state to have a solid case against him, we're very happy that they did not give him bail.
We'll chat later, sir. Thank you so much. Well, Unati, only 3 of the 10 who are of the accused are currently out on bail. Most of them who have made those bail applications have been denied. We shall bring you more as the day unfolds. I understand that the baki, the police van that just passed through us, is the one that is ferrying those suspects. So I can tell you now that they have arrived in court and the court session will take place shortly.